Order in the court. Let's bring them to the court of our public opinion. I love this question. When a possessory conservator doesn't have a visitation schedule in the court order. My ex-husband is permanent managing conservator of our daughter, who's age 5. I'm the possessory conservator. However, I've been incarcerated for almost 5 years and came home before Christmas of 2022. Our court order has an attachment that says possession and access will be at my ex's discretion. He's allowing me to visit my child 1 hour a week while supervised by him and his wife. Is he allowed to do this on his own? I'm going to court hoping to get standard visitation, but my ex says I'll have to do a stair-step claim where I'm supervised. I've been sober for almost 5 years and had extensive drug treatment throughout Safe P, and I've had parenting classes, psychological evaluations. I have a good job now and a very nice residence, and I've been perfect on parole. My ex or his mother brought our daughter to visit once a month for 4.5 years while I was incarcerated. So she saw the child once a month, okay, for 4.5 years while she was incarcerated. So what she's saying is, my child knows me. And that's what she's trying to say. So let's finish reading. So it's not like my daughter doesn't know me, okay? He says that he can't let me visit unsupervised because if something happens to her while in my care, this would come back on him. Is there anything to what he's telling me? And if the court has already given me possessory rights, why would I have to be supervised? Let's go. Order. Because a lot of people are going through this, okay? And I would get that visitation back, baby. When you get up out of jail, you come right on over here. Now, because there are times where we get a little caught up with some things. We go a few places. We got to do a bid or two. Okay? And at the end of the day, it ain't right all the time, but it's other things other people are doing that ain't right, so we're going to discuss it. It happens a lot. And at the end of the day, I don't care where somebody has been and what they have been through. They can be a good parent. And going to jail doesn't mean that you're not a good parent. And going to jail doesn't mean that you should not have custody of your child. Nor does it mean that your visits should be supervised. Nor does it mean anything else. It's all about the character. Because see, it's a lot of people walking around here that have no criminal records that don't need a child at all. That need to be supervised. That visitation just might need to be shut off for now. And they don't have a record. They haven't seen the inside of any jail, nor have they drunk in water out the back of any toilet. So, it just depends. It just depends. And at the end of the day, all we can say is, don't judge, yet let thee be judged. So I'm going to move it along. Sometimes you're defaulted, sometimes you're in jail, sometimes you're going through something, you'll get a visitation order. The order will say, as mutually agreed upon, or it'll say, basically, at the other person's discretion. That means you don't have a visitation order. So what you need to do is file a motion to modify, just like this person is doing. You file that motion to modify. Okay? And when you file that motion to modify, you request your standard visitation or more. You request whatever it is that you believe that you're supposed to have. So, you go to court. All of these things that you have done, simply let them know. Bring your proof. Show these things to the judge, to the court. Now, you have to be able to get these things in evidence. But your testimony, as long as you are credible, is sufficient enough on many grounds, many times. Because it's up to the fact finder, baby, as to what is to be believed. So if there's a jury in the booth, it's up to them. And if there's a judge, it's up to that judge. The fact finders who must be convinced. And there are many times that people get upset with me because they say, oh, are you the DA? Hell no, I'm the jury, baby. And the judge today. Duh. We have to bounce our case off someone. We got to role play this. We have to get other people to hear it. Tell us what they think. Because we're not judging our own case. What the hell makes y'all think you judging your own case when you go to court? Tell everybody with that. Oh, this is what I believe. I don't care what you believe, baby. What can I get a jury to believe, boo-boo? And what can I get the fact finder to believe, darling? What can I get the judge to believe, honey? That's all that matters. So there are times where we might get a little tip or two. You ain't for me. Well, baby, if I'm not for you, you got to find you somebody else, because I am for you. That's why I'm not going to go in there falling flat on my face. Nor am I going to allow you to do the same. So, what is the judge going to say about it? You get that evidence in order. You present that evidence to the court, ma'am, as to why. You tell that judge that child has been to see you. Because I'm going to say this, guys, that speaks boatloads that child has been there every month for 4.5 years, and that his family is the person who carried her to that place. Because if she was such a horrible mother, she wasn't the best mother, she shouldn't be around and things of that nature, why would they make such an effort to make sure that child had a close and continuing relationship with the mother? Because the child wants that close and continuing relationship with that mother. And they know that the best interest of the child is to be served if they get in the car and drive to Timbuktu and get searched and patted down and get your coins in the bag and get on down the road. So you can go see that baby's mama. Because you know that's what she needs. So in my opinion, I flip it and present it. Boom, and your honor. They took her. Speaks boatload, John. Got to be in the child's best interest. So you tell me, your honor, why they're still conducting visits as if the mother's in jail. Because she's not anymore. And I think we need to progress for the times. I think it's best for the child to not continue to see the mother behind bars and shackles. Because he still has shackles on her now. See, I will Maya Angelou that shit. You don't want me to have a case like this. I can dip it, flap it, flip it, and rub it down, baby. And he'll be looking like, oh shit, is she gonna get the baby back? Wait, oh, she might get custody. Yes, she might. She might. With many people. Ma'am, you do what you need to do. You step, inch, and you inch. And I done told y'all, I don't care what you go through. I don't care what you've been through. You better now. You inch on their ass until you get to that mark. I don't give a damn. Get visitation. Won't, because they going to give it to you, baby. If it's supervised, you push for unsupervised. You get unsupervised, you push for more time. You get your more time, you push for your rights. You push for your rights, you push for custody. You move, you inch, you inch, you inch. Because I don't care what the hell's going on. I don't care what the hell is going on. There's not a judge or a jury that doesn't respect hard-earned credibility. And they will respect you for turning your life around and doing what you need to do for that child. And you will be rewarded. So don't listen to him. And don't listen to his little wife. Because for all we know, he might still want you and she's his flying monkey like we got going on around here a lot of the times. For all we know, he want to see you himself, boo. And that's why I supervise. Hello, world. Next case. Get your attorney, suit up and boot up. And baby, you may not even need one. You sound so intelligent. I'm going to tell y'all, a lot of you all that have been to prison are so damn intelligent, it's ridiculous. It's absolutely damn ridiculous how smart y'all motherfuckers is smart. Leave that out. Y'all smart. You may not even need one. But if he has one, get one. And consult with one regardless. Because you need to know how to get your evidence in and get these things in. That would be really the only reason why you would need one there. But I'm going to tell you, when you're a good client, you can just about find anybody to assist you. You have a good fight. You look for a good attorney. One that's in the game, that loves what they're doing. And there's some women out there that'll help you get that child back. There's some men out there that'll help you get that child back. That will fight for you, sweetheart, and won't build you out the roof because they know you just trying. You find one of those, baby. You find one and you consult with them and you get them to represent you, and you're going to see a difference in that baby daddy, that stanky girlfriend, and your relationship with your beautiful daughter. I wish you the best.
From legal woes to legal wows, attorney Ali Booker has got you covered. Civil lawsuit to CPS knocking on your door.